Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start up your dropshipping business in India. Now, one of the things that you got to understand is the right strategy that you require to scale your business to heights that it's never known before. And if you're an individual looking at an opportunity to understand the dynamics of Shopify, you've come to the right video and the right place, because we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up your account and start your business for dropshipping in India. The first thing that you need to do is understand Shopify, which is a global commerce platform that helps you build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. Now, obviously, you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their businesses, with millions of merchants worldwide and available in 170 countries, and a total of 10% and a total US e-commerce business that they've done $444 billion global economic activity, and you can easily make money off it as well. And the one thing that I absolutely love about Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, just your next big idea, and you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps built by trusted Shopify builders. Now, what's more than that, guys, we live in a digital age. An e-commerce platform like this can take your financial circumstances and change them around, and all you need to do is follow everything we're telling you by step. And if you want to get more ideas and strategies, you can always check out our channel that is available with loads of videos. So go ahead over there and check it out, and do let us know what you think in the comment down section below. You can also back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert, and with a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line, guys. You can find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, and content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and build custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. So take control of your customers' data to build custom audience and explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth, and manage inventories and track payments and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. So get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network, and manage your business's finance all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, if you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial. And once you click on start the free trial, you'll be taken to the next page where you would need to ask a couple of questions, such as which of these best describes you. Are you just starting off or already selling online or in person? We're just gonna go with I'm just starting off. And then the next question is, where would you like to sell? And you can pick as many as you like, and you can always change them later. And always make sure that you're always set up to sell in these places: an online store, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplace, in person, or you're not sure. We're gonna go with an online store where we can create a fully customizable website. After selecting that, the most important thing comes is that you have to select the name for your store. And please make sure, guys, that you do extensive research before you select the name, because at the end of the day, that is the first line of defense that you would need to make sure that you understand. And I mentioned to individuals to look at the competition, see what they're doing, and always select a name that reflects quality. For this particular video, we're gonna go with just this example. And once we hit next, you have to select where you want your actual business to be located, and it's in this point that you have to select exactly where it's gonna be. Now, the interesting thing is, once you select it, there's a pop-up that comes that talks about the tax and duty obligations, the payment issues, the shipping issues, the localizations, the Shopify benefits, and more than that, and most important, the terms and services, which we are going to look at in a second. Now, once you have hit next and gone to the next page, this comes the most important part: to create a Shopify ID. You can continue with your email, you can continue with your Apple ID, or with your Facebook ID, or with your Google ID. I always select my Google ID because at the end of the day, this is the most easiest way to set up your Google account. So just click on the email that you want to integrate and wait for your store to be built. Now, as you can see, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, customers, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts, and your online store. We're going to check the plan in a second, but before we do that, head over to settings to make sure all the methodologies and the settings are correct. Now, as you can see, the address is in India. When we click on plan, we haven't selected a plan right now, but we will select the plan in a second. I'm going to show you how to do that. But the next most important thing is the billing, and you got to make sure that you're billed in the proper way. And obviously, once you're selling, you got to make sure that you're paid by customers in the correct way as well. So our billing is going to be the Indian rupee, as you can clearly see, and we're going to select the shipping and delivery to make sure that everything is in the proper place and obviously with the right methodology. So the local delivery is in India and the local pickup is in India as well. So this is everything is correct. Now the most important thing is the tax and duties, guys, and obviously, as you mentioned with the pop-up before, you could see that you got to make sure that the taxes are all in place. So we're going to include the taxes in the prices, we're going to include the charges on the tax on shipping rates, and we're going to charge the VAT on digital goods. Just click on save, and obviously all this information is going to get saved. Once you've done it, then you scroll up and click on markets, because you got to make sure that the information over here is correct. Our primary market is India, correct, and let's click on manage to see all the information over here is correct as well. The products and prices are correct, the duties and imports are sorted out, the domain name is sorted. Perfectly fine. Just close this from here and click on pick a plan. Once you click on pick a plan, you're going to get three options. The first one is the 20 rupees for a monthly for the first 3 months, or you can get it free for the first 3 months by clicking in the description below on the link, or you can go for 5,599 Indian rupees per month for Shopify, or 22,680 rupees per month for the advance. If you pay for yearly, you can save 10%. If you pay for 2 years, you'll save 20%, and for 3 years, you'll save 25%. Now with each element over here, you get different features. For the basic one, you get 2 staff members up to 4 location and basic reports. For the Shopify, you'll get 5 staff members up to 5 location and professional reports with shipping with a USPS priority mail cubic pricing. And for the advanced, you get 15 staff members up to 8 locations with professional reports, advanced report builders, international pricing, duties and import taxes, and a lot of other shipping that's going to be made available as well. So you can also start with a starter for 399 rupees per month and with a transaction fee of 5% with 1 user and shareable products and pages, guys. Now obviously, once you've done all of that, you need to head over to your online store. On the online store, you're going to get an option where you can actually select different themes that are available, and one of the most important thing, guys, is the theme. So make sure that you select the theme, which is completely free, selecting from the theme pages over here. And if you want to explore more themes, all you need to do is click on visit the theme store, and once you click on visit the theme store, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, what you're going to have is something that's going to be very unique, meaning you will be able to see all the different prices and the different themes that are available. You have 11 free themes and 105 paid themes. Now, I always mention, guys, start off as low as possible, and then over a period of time, you can always increase and scale your business. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.